Welcome to Motor For You. I'm the service manager here, and I'm going to take you around and show you what my top 5 most reliable cars are out of our stock here. So for my number 5 slot, I'm going to choose an electric car. It'll be the only one that's on here, but I've tested a lot of these electric cars out. Porsches, the Audi e-trons, there's Vauxhalls, Peugeots, Polestars, Audis. I've tested all of them. In my honest opinion, these are built the nicest and the best, well, best built. You got nice motor, nice battery, and trust me, you might think electric cars don't go wrong. I've seen electric cars go wrong, and I'm not just saying electricals around the car. I'm talking about the actual batteries and motors. Trust me, I think these ones are actually made very, very well. The Mercedes branded. That's why I quite like it. It's not nothing else between it, like, you know, no one's borrowing from someone else. That's why I like these as well. Same with the EQS here, same type of thing. The reason why I like them is because they're, in my opinion, one of the best built EVs. So my number 4 spot would be the BMWs. Now it's not any BMW, these are the 118Ds, which obviously are a 1.6 diesel. The reason why I would choose these, they've been innovated on for a long time now on these 116Ds, I think since like 2015. Now for me, mechanically, very good cars, very, very good cars. Like I said, been innovated on, and they just seem to keep getting better and better. And they don't really change the way that they look at it. I mean, obviously you're looking at a BMW engine still in a BMW car. It's not like a French engine in a German car or anything like that. They've made these particularly, and they've always seemed pretty good. Great miles per gallon, great tax, and easy to work on as well. That's why I like these BMWs. Right, for my number 3 spot, I'm going to ask this Volvo XC60 to take its place. The reason being, I mean, Volvo's been around for a long time. Once again, you're looking at something that's been innovated on again and again. It's not just something that's bought in, that's new. Very, very decently reliable. I've never really had anything major issues. And when I'm talking about reliability, I'm not talking just, oh yeah, the minor things. I'm talking about the big things there. I'm talking about gearbox, engines, stuff like that. Now, when people bring in these other things like AdBlue technology and stuff, is who implements it the best in their technology to be able to make it reliable. And once again, it's something like Volvo, which has good reliability on that side of things. Yeah, everyone, no matter what car you buy, it's like clutching at straws. Someone's going to get one that's bad, and you're going to hear a horror story. It doesn't matter whichever car. If you buy a Rolls Royce, they've still got Rolls Royce mechanics. Do you know what I mean? Same thing. But yeah, Volvo's always good. The engine's been innovated on again and again, and they drive really nice. And like I said, they're reliable. I like them. Right, welcome to my number 2. Now you might think, Homer, you're choosing a Golf here, and you're wrong because the automatic gearboxes are absolute crap. Well, yes and no. I mean, the reason why the Golfs are so good, in my opinion, is because the engines are good. Now, remember what I'm talking about here. Now, the gearboxes I think have been improved on quite well, and these new ones, obviously, this is a low mileage, low year. That's why I've chosen it, by the way. No, I'm only joking. But it's a good car. These have always been around for so long, and you're going to hear problems, like I said, because they're so popular. But overall, they're actually a pretty good car, and that's why I choose it as my number 2. And I think they actually look good in a new design. Which I haven't seen too much recently. I've only just started getting them in. Obviously, I like this one as well, so it looks good. But yeah, like I said, reliability-wise, they're pretty good. A couple of little electrical bits, but overall, I like them. And here she is, my number 1 pick, Land Rover. Now you know why I think they're the best cars in the Only joking, it's this one right here. Suzuki Vitara, petrol, you know the deal. These cars are very, very good cars. And you can tell that, 1, because it's old, and 2, it's done a few miles, so you know it's a good one. If it's made it this far, it's got to be good. But these Suzukis, anything that is Asian branded in a way, you can't really go wrong with reliability. And like I said, we don't stock tons of them, which is a shame, because if they sold better, I'd have the easiest life in the world. Honestly, I really would. If we could just sell Hondas, Suzukis, Toyotas, Lexus, if I could just sell those 4 cars, I'd be a happy man. But no, I get berated by all these fucking other cars. But here we go, that's my number 1 pick. You guys already know why.
Hi everyone, Sheik from Motor For You. Just wanted to say a massive thank you for all of you for watching, commenting, liking and subscribing to our channel.